Good evening everyone. I am Hashan Nanayapar. Today our lesson is again regarding indices. Indices part 2, a new theorem, new theory. Okay, so let's begin without taking much time. Our theory here is AB all together to the power 3, and we have to make it as A3 times B3. Okay, we have to prove that AB all together to the power 3 is as A to the power 3 times B to the power 3. How can we prove that? First of all, keep this in mind. AB means 8 times B, same as 3 times A means, 3A means 3 times A. Likewise, AB means A times B. First, keep this in mind. Okay, so AB can be written, AB to the power altogether to the power 3 can be written like AB altogether to the power 3 times, we can write this in this fashion. AB times AB. AB altogether to the power 3 can be written like 3 ABs multiplied with each other. Now we can break this, we can expand this in this fashion. AB means A times B. So I am going to write this as A times B times A times B times A times B. And there are 3 A's and 3 B's. 3 A's multiplied by each other can be written like A to the power 3. Or we can say A times B times B. I rearrange this in this fashion. So 3 A's multiplied with each other means 1, 2, 3, A to the power 3, 3 B's 1, 2, 3, B to the power 3. So I prove this. So keep this in mind. Okay, keep this theorem, this formula in mind. If it is AB altogether to the power 3, we can write it as A3 times B3. Keep this in mind. Same as if it is AB altogether to the power n means A to the power n times B to the power n. AB altogether to the power 6 means A to the power 6 times B to the power 6. Same as AB altogether to the power 4 means A to the power 4 times B to the power 4. Same as AB altogether to the power 5 means A to the power 5 times B to the power 5. Keep this in mind. So AB altogether to the power n can be written like n is common, A to the power n times B to the power n. Here 3 is common to both A and 3. So we can write A to the power 3 times B to the power 3. These are the basics. Now we will go for some sums. We will go to some sums. Okay, under this our first question is show that xy to the power 4 is equal to x times 4 times y times 4. We have to prove this. Okay, I am going to write xy to the power 4 like this. xy times xy. So it will be xy means x times y. X times y, this is so. X times y, this is so. X times y and this is so. X times y. So there are 4 x's and 4 y's. 4 x's multiplied with each other means we can write this again as x times x times y times y times y. So 4x's multiplied with each other can be written like x to the power 4 times 4x means y to the power 4. This is the answer. X to the power 4 times y to the power 4. Okay, 4x's multiplied with each other means x to the power 4. 4y's multiplied with each other means y to the power 4. So we get this. Second question. Second question is, show that a divided by b all together to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 4 divided by b to the power 4. Okay. I am going to write a over b all together to the power 4 like this. A over b times a to the a over b times a over b times a over b. Okay, a divided by b all to the power 4 together to the power 4 can be written like a divided by b 4 times. Now look at this. 2 over 3 times 2 over 3. When 2 2's are above, we can, as numerators, we can simplify it in this fashion. 2 and 2 above and 3 and 3 beneath. Okay, we can write this in this fashion. 2 third times 2 third can be written like 2 times 2 separately and 3 times 3 separately. So same as here we can write 4a separate. A times a times a times a divided by b times b times b times. Don't overthink, just keep this theory in mind. A divided by b 4 multiplied by 4 times means you can separate a separately and b separate, above and beneath. Now 4a's multiplied with each other can be written like a to the power 4. 4b's means b to the power 4. So we get this. A over b all together to the power 4 is equal to this. Keep it in mind. Now with the help of these two examples, we have to do the rest. Okay. So if it is a to the power 4, sorry, ab all together to the power